What's up, everybody? Hope everybody's good. Full disclaimer, yes, I am still sat here in my dressing gown at 10 o'clock in the morning. Zero fucks given. I'm tired. Bit late to the charts this morning, but I did have a couple of alerts go off overnight that I missed, and I'll show you. I'll show you now what I'm looking at. So AU highlighted this order block above this imbalance and those fractal lows to get swept, and yeah, price is playing out nicely to that. So we've had a fractal low sweep, we've had an imbalance fill, and reacting off this 4-hour order block now. So if I get an alert signal from AU, then I will be buying AU today. NZD JPY, again, we've had the mitigation of the 4-hour zone that I was talking about here, and a nice reaction off it. I haven't yet managed to find a way in to this right now. So if price breaks this low here, that fractal low, then I'll be interested in looking for a possible continuation play, but right now there's nothing for me on NJ. EJ played out the same as well, as expected. Swept that fractal low, filled that imbalance, has mitigated into this 4-hour demand zone. Just missed it now. Possibly, depending on your broker, you could have got mitigated by spread, and we have reacted off that zone. Now, if we break this fractal high here, body close above that, then I would look for re-entries, taking it long. What might happen, we might fail to make a high here and come back down and actually mitigate this 4-hour order block before taking it long. So I am still bullish, on EJ, but it hasn't quite met my rules yet, and I'm a stickler for them, so I won't be taking anything yet. Actually forgot to talk about GA yesterday, but GA is one of my actually one of my favourite pairs. So we can see here that we have reacted and keep reacting off the 4-hour order block. That's also at a weekly key level, so that's a strong indication that we are ready to push upwards. So I am bullish on GA up to this supply zone, which has resting liquidity below it and an imbalance below it as well. So I have alerts set for my lower time frame entry on GA to take GA long. Just looking at UCAD. Now UCAD, what I wanted to see was a mitigation of this supply zone here. Now this is also a supply zone, but with this high being there, I would be conscious of getting in anywhere in this zone, so I wouldn't want to do that. I'd want this high to be swept, the remaining imbalance to be filled, this supply to be mitigated, and then a push downwards. Now you can see how the candles are starting to form here. One of two things is going to happen, and we're at this, we're inside this kind of inside this FU candle. So price is either accumulating now to drop and it won't push up, or it's accumulating now in order to push up and mitigate that that demand zone. So we'll keep an eye on that. I've got an alert set on that demand, so we'll see what happens there. Conversely, it could push past that zone, break above it, retest it, and then push upwards for a deeper daily supply zone. So we'll see. And then USD Swiss, we're at an area that I've marked up, a supply zone that I've marked up that broke structure. So I do have an alert set on this last bullish candle before the sell. So I've got an alert set there. So if price triggers that, then I'll be looking to sell down once I get my low time frame confirmation. If it doesn't present and it pushes up to this area, which is preferable for me because it's a daily. If I switch onto the daily quick time, it's within this daily order block here, which I like. and then this 4-hour order block is within this daily order block. There is imbalance above it, and again there's resting liquidity below it, sorry. So there's imbalance below it and there's resting liquidity below it, so that could be a potential play as well. As always though, I'll wait for my alerts. I'm not going to chase it. Now I've done that, I've got my alerts set, I'll turn my charts off. Excuse me, turn my charts off, do some work, and then if my alerts ping and I get involved, I'll share it with you. But for now, that's it. And it's pissing down, and I just don't really want to go out and take the dog out, but that's next on the agenda. So yeah, anything happens, I'll update you, but that's it for now. In a bit.